Hey, my crypto friends, this is your boy Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel, guys. So guys, this is another crypto video about the #1 miner in the Binance Smart Chain network. So this is BNB Miner, guys. So as you can see on my screen that it shows the BNB Miner has been running for 463 days. No miner has run for that long, and we know that it is the oldest and it is the OB. It is the oldest and it is the one that is still running strong. So there have been other clones that have come up and they have failed, and BNB Miner has stayed in its lane as #1 up to this time. So guys, I was supposed to shoot this video last night, but I had some commitments and I didn't shoot it. So I wanted to give you an update that BNB Miner clocked 10,000 BNB. So as we speak now, it is having 10,317 BNB, and this is a milestone, guys. No contract has done this, so you guys, you should pay attention where you join, and I would emphasize you guys to join BNB Miner. So those of you who are not yet here, please take a look at BNB Miner. You can get someone and he sponsors you, or if you don't have a sponsor, my link is in the description of this video. Feel free to click on it and join the oldest and the best miner in the Binance Smart Chain network. So guys, this is one of my accounts that I use for shooting YouTube videos. As you can see, my TVL is just 0.8 BNB. This is my channel I use for this is my account I use for illustration purposes, and as you can see, I'm having 0.38 BNB in my bar autocorrect, yet I'm having a very small investment which is less than 1 BNB. But all this, I've been able to grow this through compounding, and also I've referred some people using this account. So guys, referring members is essential. It is not necessary, but you can refer members to get an extra 10% when they hire miners. As you can see here, you share your referral link. Our contract pays you 10% referral fees when someone uses your link to hire miners. So guys, anytime someone hires miners using your link, or when that person is connected to your account, you'll get that extra 10%, which is good. Yeah, I know most of you don't want to recruit, but if something is too good to be true, you have to share it with your friends so that they can also be part of it. So guys, this is BNB Miner, and this thing, or this platform, is not for people who want to get rich quick, as it has got a compound feature which helps you to grow your TVL and also to grow the number of miners that you have. So if you are a kind of person who likes to withdraw every now and then this project is not for you. I'm sorry to say that, but it is not for you, and I want to tell you the truth, because the more you withdraw, or the more you click on this button, pocket your BNB, the more your TVL will reduce, and the more the contract will reward you with lesser percentage every day. So this contract was coded like that, and which is a good thing. And as you know, whales are the ones who spoil these projects. So whales, they can't come in BNB Miner and just spoil the project. They can't, because it was coded very well. It was coded to help the people who have low accounts also to build their accounts. As you can see, me here, I started this account with 0.1 BNB, just 0.1 BNB, but I've grown it up to 0.8 BNB, and I have 0.38 BNB to withdraw. So guys, there is information here that you can take a look at and see how you can get started in BNB. There is the verified smart contract here, and also you can click on it and see, which is not bad. So there is, by the way, also BNB Miner. It is top in the on the DApp radar. So I last checked when it was number 5. It was number 5 on the DApp radar. Just imagine being number 5. This is the contract. Check it out and see. It has got 10,320 BNB, and it is a verified contract. As you can see, the contract is here. You can check it out. So if we are to look at the internal transactions, you can see that every second people are interacting with this contract. So as you can see, these are the transactions. Those were internal transactions. These are the transactions. People are hatching eggs and they are buying eggs. So guys, there's nothing that I can say bad about BNB Miner. All I can tell you guys is that this project, and it is just doing awesome. So guys, it has got a Telegram channel here. It has got a Telegram channel which is interactive. This thing, this community is good. You can get all the help that you feel like here. We have admins here who are always awake. At least some of them are awake. Every time you need help, they can help you. And if the admins can't help you, the community also can help you in case you have any issue with the miner. So guys, that's it about BNB Miner. All you need to get started is you need a metamask wallet that is connected to Binance Smart Chain, or you can as well use a Trust wallet that is connected to Binance Smart Chain. Then the next step is to copy the link from your sponsor. You paste it in the wallet browser, and then you get started. So guys, another thing that I had forgotten to tell is that always make use of this compound button, because this is your key to growth in this smart contract. The more times you compound, the more your TVA will increase. Remember, you're getting 3% of this. So if you have a small investment here, it means you will get less rewards per day. And if you have little miners here, or you have less miners, you also get less rewards. Remember, these miners are the ones who do all the hard work for you. They mine for you BNB, and that BNB that they mine will be accumulated in this barrel. Then also another thing is that you can refer members and get that extra 10% when they interact with the contract. So guys, basically that's it. Okay, let me show you what in the DApp radar. On the DApp radar, under the Binance Smart Chain, you can see BNB Miner. BNB Miner is number 5. BNB Miner is number 5, and the contract has got 2.34 million in it. So guys, basically that's it. If you are to that's it. You can see that even it is way on top of Drip. I saw Drip somewhere here. Drip is number 11. BNB Miner is number 5, and it is also ahead of Piston token. So guys, basically that's it. That's all I have for you in this video. BNB Miner, it is having 10,319 BNB as we speak, which is a very huge milestone. And yeah, that's it guys. I'll see you in the next update video.